Today I just wanted to do a quick look at this Ozito electric charcoal starter. It's 2000 watts, cost you about $30 from Bunnings or your local hardware shop that stocks Ozito brand. My first impression is this thing is actually much bigger than it looks. I pictured it to be like, I don't know, like the size of your Mrs. Hair Straightener kind of thing. Yeah, so that's it. It's 2000 watts, 600 degrees Celsius apparently. The length of it is like easy foot, maybe 50 centimeters I reckon, long. And that's the business end. I'll give it a go, see how it goes on a charcoal chimney to start with. Alright, so super quick look at the instructions just for laughs. Cool touch handle, rocker on off switch, heating tip, kickstand. Kickstand? Oh yeah. And it's pretty effective. And heat shield. Doesn't really tell you anything you need to know, other than the actual rocker switch has to be held. It's not on, you can't hold it on. Yeah, you literally have to hold it unless you run a cable tie or something on there to hold it down. It's pretty much designed for heat beads by the looks, or charcoal, lump charcoal, and you pretty much just point it at it, press and hold it, and then it's supposed to, when the charcoal glows orange, slowly pull it away while keeping it aimed at the same point. That would be so it can disperse the heat instead of just lighting a couple of charcoal pieces. Fireplace, same sort of thing. Cool. Let's try it.
Yeah. Yeah, a little
Is
bit.
that how you do it? Is that how you're supposed to do it?
I don't know. No idea. Nah. No time for that.
You want to show us?
We need a
Monkey bar.
to avoid that, I guess. It's hot.
Alright, so I have seen this in other videos, but I had to try it for myself. So I've got some pork crackle here that isn't quite right, which you see this all the time, right? Comes out of the oven, there's little patches like this and this that just didn't get there for some reason. You know, I know the tricks about putting the rind in the fridge for a day, salting it in the fridge, letting it dry out, but for some reason I still get the same results. So I'm going to try this. Alright, here we go. Wow. I didn't buy it to use it for this, but I definitely had to give it a go. I thought it would work, but yeah, it's pretty effective actually. All in all, I mean, this thing obviously uses a lot of power. I'm a huge fan of these fire lighters, mainly because I put 3 of these under the charcoal chimney starter, and just you light the foil. You don't have to muck around. You just light the foil and all 3 light up straight away. The only problem is these will run you about $5 for a pack of 20, whereas the Ozito Charcoal starter, it's not the reason I bought it. I bought it for convenience really, and to test it. But for $30, I mean, that's like 6 packs of these. I can see this lasting for a long time. It has got a 3-year warranty, so I'm sure Ozito, I'm pretty sure you could just walk in and swap it at Bunnings if it ever malfunctioned due to manufacturer fault. But yeah, so this would probably work out more economical in the long run. There's no chemicals associated with it, which is cool. It's just a heating element. I kind of like it. Might use it some more, see what happens. Don't get me wrong, I still love the old fire lighters, but every now and again I'll go to do a cook and I'm out of fire lighters. That's the other thing, so it's cool backup. Really good. That's lunch fit for a king. That's a pretty cool little tool to have just in case. All right, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.